Hey there, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make modern afrobeats for Fireboy. If you need to know what to do, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. Alright, so we already have our drum elements laid out, so we're going to play a simple drum pattern first. Alright. Extend it. Alright, add that again. Now, if maybe you have a sample that keeps repeating on its own without you playing those extra notes, you can simply double click it, then come into this interface right here and turn off load regions and use loop points, all right? And also turn off ping pong loop. Let's create a roll. So stretch it out a bit. Select that, come down, chop. Play with the timing. I think I prefer this. Yeah, go with that. All right, let's create a layer, reduce the volume. Now we're going to play some chords with some chords from the Chart Buster MIDI chord pack, which has 45 Afrobeat chords you can get in the link in the description below. Really good, amazing Afrobeat chords. All right, I like that sound. Yeah. Render that and see. Copy the chords. Spread it across. Record that in. record that in. Render that. Let's see how it sounds. All right, that sounds good. Now we're going to add some vocal chops to spice up the beat some more, because most of Fireboy's beats, especially his modern beats, do have some vocal chops in them. Add some reverb. Play with the formats. So now we're going to automate the format, because there's some parts I want it to have the regular tiny pitch voice, and some parts I want to have the deep evil-ish voice. All right. So we just create an empty pattern clip. All right. Hit the record button and then toggle the settings, and it's going to record that in real time. We are still on the regular tiny voice. And now we've switched to the deep voice. All right, you can see the event clip. So we just move this around to where we want it to be at. So now we've added an extra vocal chop and done a little bit of more arranging. Adjust the volume. Then we'll spread it across. So now let's create the 808 pattern. The 808 pattern just follow the root key of the chord progression. Now we're going to play with it a little bit as well. think it's taking shape. Let's add some slides. All right, I think we've made significant progress. That was just a simple 808 line for the verses. So now let's hear how the beat sounds.
You like this beat? Like this beat? 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 You like this beat? Like this beat?
All right, so that's pretty much how the beats came together using the SC Tools Chat Buster MIDI chord pack. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave me with a thumbs up so other people that need helpful videos like this can easily find it right here on YouTube, and hit me with the subscribe button to keep up with more tutorials from me, all right? I remain so classy. This is SC Toots. See you soon. Cheers.